So hello learners. So in this video, we will be looking about Terraform modules. In last video, we have checked about the Terraform workspaces. So now we will be looking at what is module in Terraform. Module is nothing but just like a simple script, or just like you can say that a simple Terraform script or playbook that can be used again and again and again and again in different formats. Means you don't need to create each and every time new Terraform script. Suppose you want to create a EC2 instance, so you don't need to write each and every time that Terraform script, the Terraform playbook that creates that EC2 instance. You can again use same created earlier created that Terraform script file to your new directory, or on your new project, right? For that, let's create a directory called module just to segregate things, right? We're inside the module, right? So we will be creating each and everything again. So for now, I'm just pausing this video so I can create all the required things, right? Yeah. So I have created this four file here, instance.tf. If you check this, we have this instance resource AMI. I'm just creating an instance and nothing else, right? And second, provider, we do have provider also, along with that access key and secret key, which are in our that state. Which state? Variable state, right? Then afterward, we have this Terraform TF variable files. All the variables will be defined in here inside the TF variable files. And last, this file would be variable dot. We have defined variable here this way, right? Now, main thing is that this Terraform script itself call a module, right? And if we run this Terraform command here, Terraform plan, then this will be called as root module, right? And we will be creating a child module inside this module. It means we will be creating this part like instance.tf. We do have this part. We will be creating this part as a module. So this part can be used again and again and again and again on different Terraform state file. We just need to provide this location. See how. For that, first let's create a module or child module called make directory. Any name. Let's create it as module. Again, name, right? Inside this, let's go inside the module. Then after the word, what we need to do, let me just copy this last thing, instance.tf, because we need this thing again and again, right? Copy this. Yeah, now fine. So we are inside the modules, inside the module. Okay, right. Yeah, we are inside the module now, right? And we would be creating different things here. Like we would be creating a module file name like resource or anything, or main. Let's start with main.tf only. We will providing this main.tf here only, and insert and paste it here, right? Now let's save this. Like if you background, you will find this. Now, now it's done. If you run this command, Terraform plan, see what would happen. Asking for secret key and access key and secret. Acha, we have not provided the access key and secret key. Let me check. Wait a second. I'm just pausing this video. I'm just copying access key and secret key. Yeah, I have just changed. I have provided. Let me show you this thing. If you get this provider.tf, I have provided access key and secret key here only. So we don't need to provide this variable here, variable.tf. It's not required now because I have already provided there, right? And it's not that variable right now. So we can also remove this variable if required, right? Now let's run Terraform plan and see what will happen. Okay, saying that, okay, now as we are in a new directory, so we need to provide this Terraform in it again. Now it's again initializing that AWS plugin because we are in the new directory, right? Let's wait. It will hardly take 15 to 30 seconds. Yeah, it's done now. If we run Terraform plan now, then see what will happen. See, warning unclear, undeclared variable. Okay. If you see above, it will create. Wait a second. I think I have not removed that instance.tf. That's why. Okay, I need to remove this right now because we don't require this thing right now because we will be taking it from the variable only, right? Also, warning it, we can ignore this warning because we haven't declared, because if you check this thing provider.tf, we are using this. But if you check Terraform TF WAR files, image ID and instance type is there. And also, if you check, I have deleted that variable file, but it is not required, right? VTF bars are not required at that time because we are using the access key and secret key, right? Now, if we run again Terraform plan here, let's see what will happen. Yeah, see, nothing is here, right? Now, what do we do in this situation? Now, as we can use that module now, as we know, we have created module directory here. We would be using this module, right? So how we are going to use is in instance.tf, we are providing this thing module, any name for the module, like a test. Let's take example, test only. Then in this, we will be writing this way. And we need to provide from where this module will take, means from where this this portion, this block will be taken. So for that, we would be defining this would be taken from source, and source would be inside current directory. We do have modules directory, and inside this we do have our source, right? And what it will do, it will take that resource, that block from inside this module directory, current module directory, right? Let me save this, and we would be running again this Terraform plan, and you will see what will happen right now. Okay, let me check. Wait a second. Okay, it's saying that Terraform module is not installed because we need to again install this. Okay, for this, we need to again initialize this Terraform init, because module have its own in backend and inside this AWS. So right now let's run this Terraform plan, and I think it's good to go. Wait a second. Yeah, it's good to go now, right? See, now it's taking that part inside the module. See what we have done now. Again, we don't need to write each and everything here. We just need to define that module thing, module part, and module will take that block from the required directory, and we will be able to run this Terraform playbook or Terraform script from same location only. Means we don't need to write each and every block again and again. We can use old blocks or again and again old one in our new Terraform scripts, right? So that's all for this video. Thank you and bye-bye.